Welcome to our technical breakdown of XAGUSD on the H1 timeframe. Please watch the full video. This is an educational video, not investment advice. Silver is currently navigating a major supply zone between 86.50 and 87.70. Following a massive bullish impulse from institutional demand areas, the higher timeframe market structure remains predominantly bullish. However, recent H1 price action shows a clear break of structure followed by signs of consolidation as we test this critical resistance. We are currently observing a reaction within the supply zone, where institutional liquidity is being trapped. Our focus is on this entry zone. We are waiting for mitigation here. In a bullish continuation, we look for a breakout above 87.70. Once price action confirms with a retest, we can expect the move to start toward the upside objectives. Conversely, if we see a bearish rejection, a correction toward internal liquidity is likely. Our invalidation level is strictly set at 85.80. If price breaks this, our bias changes toward a deeper retracement. We have defined three primary objectives to clear liquidity. In scenario 1, our T1 is 88.50. In scenario 2, our T2 is 89.80. For the full bullish extension in scenario 3, T3 is set at 90.50. Should the supply zone hold and trigger a reversal, the market will likely hunt liquidity at the 84.00 and 78.50 demand levels. Currently, silver sits at a pivotal decision point. A successful mitigation of the current supply will dictate the next institutional expansion. We must remain patient for confirmed displacement before executing any high probability setups. Watch the 85.80 level closely, as it serves as the structural floor for the immediate bullish thesis. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and wait for the market to give us a confirmation. Thank you for your continued support.